What's up, everybody? Justin here with Bear Zapper Barbecue. I hope you're having a great day. It is absolutely freezing here in the Northeast. It's like 16 degrees today. Freezing. But we've got the egg rolling. It's keeping us warm here. We've got it up to about 250 right now. We want to get it up to 275 because what we're going to be doing is double smoking a ham. I picked up a little ham because we're going to be still in town but visiting family on Christmas, so I'm not making ham this year. So I figured, why not before Christmas? So we're going to do that on here. We're going to be using Lane's barbecue double smoked ham recipe, double smoked glazed ham recipe. We're just not going to be doing the peach caramel sauce on top. We're going to be using it for some ham, but also ham sandwiches. So although that would still be awesome, but just not doing it. We've got this thing going. We've got some signature seasoning as well as some island dust on the spiral ham inside, letting that hang out until this is up to 275, and then we're tossing it on, so stay tuned. And here we go. Here's the ham. We have it seasoned with some mustard, some Dijon mustard, and then what we did is we tossed some signature seasoning as well as some island dust on there. We're just kind of letting this bad boy sit for a little bit while we get up to temperature. So hang out, stay tuned. Let's go. All right, we hit 275 in the big green egg, and we just placed the ham on. We're gonna let the ham get up to about 145, and then we're gonna pull it. All right, so the ham is off, looking absolutely delicious and awesome, super pumped. Now we're gonna slice it up and make some awesome sandwiches. All right, we have some mayo, American cheese, a little brioche bread, and make a nice simple sandwich.